Okay, I got a Memorex tape and I'm gonna record some Disney music on it. Special formulation giveaways clear, lifelike reproduction of your favorite rock, pop, jazz, or country music. You know what? This music is sometimes jazz, but it's mostly pop. Pop all the way. Shroods. Pretty not bad for a cassette. Labels. And a J card. And a case for Impala's feature length tape. Let's just put this case aside because we're gonna need that to transfer Impala's tape to a CD. Even though I like that his eye on a sparrow or sorrow or whatever that spiritual uplifting song is called, I still like Baptist-based gospel music. You know, the black gospel collection of a choir singing with a tambourine. And shut up, Catalina. I don't want to hear your Catalina shit. But I do like Catalinian music. You know, da 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 da. And the music's so breathtaking. The opening song in English and Spanish. And that's my review of a Memorex audio cassette. Now I'm gonna put some Disney music on it so I could listen to it in the background. Along with the most popular tune by request by Paul William Cat, I guess. It's called I cannot pronounce French.